May I please, Your Lordship? I did mention item 10 of the daily list matter.
Item 10
Of the daily list.
Daily.
Well,
yes,
being infractious, I may be allowed to withdraw my.
at the request of Mr. A. Salib, learned Council Commissioner, submits that he has instructions not to press the petition any further. The petition stands dismissed on withdrawal. Promoter, if any, then vacated. Anyone for the respondent? Education and Finance, Mr. N. J. Contonier, for the respondent. For the report. Fine. Yes,
Obligement.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 12, Your Lordship.
well,
Your Lordship, the respondents have filed their affidavit yesterday, so we need some time to file a reply.
at the request of Mr. Ahmed, I Ahmed, 3 weeks,
No, Lordship, 1 week is
week.
sufficient. 1 week is sufficient. The
week.
date will be fixed, Your Lordship.
enabling them to file the reply affidavit, the affidavit filed with the respondent. That will be fixed again on 22nd.
Deeply up to.
May it please, my lord, I beg to mention item numbers 26 to 31 of this supplementary.
Yeah.
My lord, these matters were directed by this honorable court to be listed on 22nd of April. My lord, item 27 to 31. The VDA matters.
So 26,
22nd.
So
Item
item number
26 is a new writ petition, my lord. It was to be listed today, my lord.
Ah.
On 1st of April, this item 27 to 31 was listed before this honorable court.
wait. We'll have a look and then pass out.
My lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention for listing, Lordship.
What matter?
Lordship, it is best to education matter, Lordship.
No, transfer pension
Oh, no, Lordship, it is for appointment, Lordship.
appointment.
Already selected in 2 years ago, Lordship. Still, it is awaiting.
Appointment, no, not before this matter. Not before this bench.
Then
Appointment, you will have to go to bench 2. This is only for transfer pension, suspension, payment of salary allowed.
oblige, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing after vacation and we pay.
After vacation.
Yes.
After vacation. Have it on 1st of May.
Thank you.
Please, the Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, they filed an affidavit in opposition yesterday. We require some time to file a reply.
It's submitted on behalf of the petitioner that an affidavit in opposition has been served on them. Let the matter be listed after 2 weeks.
Gotcha.
2 weeks,
Lordship,
enabling them to file.
Lordship, interim may be continued.
Very order passed earlier. That will be listed on 26. 26. February. If
Please, Your Lordship. I'm appearing on behalf of P. Sharma, Lordship. In this case, instructions awaited, Lordship. We prefer 1 week time.
1 week time. Mr. Dotto,
Very innocuous prayer, my lord. Obviously, it is after vacation.
the Senate Council hearing on behalf of the respondent corporation
Lordship.
raised for further time. Completed raised for a week's time. After 1 week,
1 week, Lordship.
it's also that petition. Okay. The petition to be listed on 24th.
Right.
24th April.
Much.
Yes, my lord, last order, my lord, give us a asked to take instructions.
Well, I'm praying for some more time.
Some more time. That will be listed after it's taken on 24th.
Hello, still. I for letter number 7,
Mr.
R. Borolo.
Arboro.
Now, please, Lord. My lord, this case released to the suspension, my lord. And I was placed under suspension on, my lord, 17/4/23, my lord. And as per the relevant provisions of the law, my lord, they have not served, my lord, article of charges or charge sheet, anything, my lord. Just merely show cause was issued to me, my lord. That is not sufficient as per the Ajay Chaudhary as well as our division bench order also, my lord. So in this case, my lord, since, my lord, I was placed under suspension, my lord, let them post somewhere else, my lord. At least I may be reinstated somewhere.
Yes, Mr. Tutia.
Well, so I will obtain instruction, my lord, regarding the present status of this case, my lord. Let me have a 2 weeks time, my lord.
Long, my lord, I am on the last occasion,
What about your subsistence allowance you're receiving it?
50% and
You're placed under suspension, my
17/4/23, my lord, at page, your lordship will see
Page
page
29.
29.
Thereafter, disciplinary proceeding not initiated.
Not initiated, only show cause was issued, my lord. Only mere show cause, but no charge.
That has
Show
been.
cause I have replied. Thereafter, my lord, no as
Where is the show cause?
show cause lordship will see at page 31, 30 and 31.
Yes, Mr. Tutia, you have to get your specific instruction. here. You issue a show cause, you submit a reply, and then nothing.
And no extension also there.
Finally, bro.
Maybe.
Yes, my lord, I will obtain it.
The last occasion also, my lord, last lordship will see the last, my lord. Only changing of the council, that is the,
No, no, there is no and nothing, any letters, my lord. That's why I cannot say anything. What happened in last?
Mr. T.C. Tutia, learned additional sitting up and submit. Instructions are awaited. Mr. A.I. Council for the that, matter petitioner is under suspension and with effect from
2023.
17/4/23.
17/4/2023, and there is no extension and there is no review and suspension enabling him. There is no review of his suspension order by the authority. Although a show cause notice was issued, which he had applied, the further proceedings have not been initiated as on date. In spite of that, the petitioner has kept suspended. With the matter being listed again on 24th of April, by which date the respondent
24 April.
will apprise the court as to what steps they have taken towards whether if
That has to be copied by
apprise
the-
the court if any steps have been taken pursuant to issuance of the show cause notice and
Any reason order or, my lord.
review of the suspension. Yes,
Any
Yes.
reason order for extension of suspension.
that yes, Mr. Henrik appears for
1 and 2.
Mr. Tia for 3 and 4.
3 and 4, my lord.
Who will obtain the instruction?
I will obtain it.
List on 26th of
24.
24th of April.
April.
Of that,
Item number 5 and 6 may pass over for time being. The Borgohain will submit also.
Time being,
Time being.
we can come before the list is over, okay? Yeah, time being. This IA has been filed for implementation of the part. The packet is called I. Repeat without some item. It's IA with file. Dated 2024. Passed in PPT 559. Hereby. The liberty was granted to the writ petition. See the file in the doc. Yes. So, reference to your doc, the IA file. Here's the Zori to be.
No, Lordship, here, it's only for the government in the main case. I think in finance, they have only made the finance separate.
Here's for the responsive with the PPC numbers. Along with MS so and so for accountant.
Ankit Talukdar.
Yeah, part. More than the respect of the prayer for implement by secretary, the applicant, or the opposite party. The added party respondent number 6 in the PPC number 2559 of the petitioner will file a bill like 2 weeks. I got it allowed in the PPC by right the or past with I secretary will have some like right speak making it steady and not
Lordship, maybe SC finance, maybe. Your Lordship.
name not understanding of finance reflected because it's by the
His Lordship. The petitioner herein is challenging his transfer from a Govardhan Education Block to, from Laharigarh Education Block to the Govardhan Education Block in the district of Buxar. They say that in pursuance of the ECI guidelines, he has been transferred. Of course, the Honorable Court by order dated 11/3/2024 was pleased to order status quo as on date, considering the fact that no reasons has been properly ascribed in the impugned transfer order. And pursuant to the status quo order, the ECI has also modified the order as regards his deputation with regard to election works. They were supposed to be in instruction.
The only instruction is that his transfer was made as per the ECA guidelines. That's the one line instruction I have received, madam.
Let them file an affidavit because the Honorable Court.
record.
Yes,
Generally,
madam.
you have to say bring it on record
Yes, madam.
because the very order is put to challenge.
Yes, madam.
Mr. NJ Katodi, starting council, education, second elementary
Elementary duty.
permitted further fixed type. Bring it on record, so it by. Here's the repetition. Here's the practice step of 26th of April.
Yes, madam.
Report passed.
Obliged.
Herein, the petitioner has not been released his arrear increments. His salary has been released from 1998 onwards till in the year 2014 itself. But the arrear increments has not been released to him.
You should notice at this stage.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Lordship, in case of other similarly situated persons, in fact, they have released. In fact, one, if your Lordship peruses page 39, page 39.
Yes.
The district element, this is an order dated 9/12/2019. The district elementary education officer had allowed the present petitioner, serial number 2 is the petitioner, and another similarly situated person that they would be released their arrear increments. They would be allowed to draw regular salary with arrear increments from the initial date of joining since 24/4/1998. Now, Lordship, the person at serial number 1, even after pursuant to this order, as he was not receiving his increments, he filed a writ petition. And therein, it was after the filing of the writ petition, it came to be known that the department is already processing his case. In fact, a supplementary demand proposal, budget proposal was sought for, and in view of that, the writ petition was disposed of at page 41 is the order, 15/9/2023. They had, in terms of that, that he would be, the direction was given that he would be released his
So you want a similar
Benef-
order? You want
here, Lordship, but we do not have any instruction as regards whether they have processed or not. Person, let
No, issue note, madam.
let
Madam, issue notice.
notice may issue, notice may go.
Weeks. It's the. That's what the. Very good.
3, madam.
Period of 1 week from today, extra copy. This after the date. You want a fixed date?
Lordship, yes,
Third of May.
Lordship.
I'm sorry, Lordship, I put a receipt time in respect of item
Your
number 7, Lordship.
item has been,
I was filed, Lordship. Hello. Highly obliged.
we've allowed your item.
Allowed, Lordship.
Yeah.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I was initially appointed in 1989 as a lecturer in the Government Law College, my lord. My lord, I was not regularized, forcing me to approach this honorable court by various writ petitions. My lord, the one writ petition was allowed, my lord, on 2/1/2017, directing my regularization. If my lord may come to page 38, my lord. Para 17 of the judgment, my lord. Keeping in parity with the judgment dated so and so passed by this court in Civil Rule 98, it is therefore ordered that the state respondents, most particularly respondent number 1, namely Commissioner, Department of Education, respondent number 2, namely Secretary, Government of Assam, Department of Personnel, respondent number 3, Director of Higher Education, Assam, and the respondent number 5, Principal, B.R. Methi Government Law College, would cause immediate steps to be taken for regularization of the petitioner's service as lecturer of B.R. Methi Government Law College, Guwahati. Consequently, that petition is allowed. And my lord, after this, since I was not regularized, I had filed a contempt case, wherein, my lord, a regularization order was produced, my lord, at page 40.
No, the earlier writ petition was filed for what?
My lord, earlier, my lord, about challenging a recruitment process, wherein it was shown as a reserved category post. That was previous. This writ petition was for my regularization. The order which Lordship has read, my lord, this was for my regularization as a lecturer. My lord, page 40 is my regularization order. In pursuance of the judgment dated 2/1/2017 passed by the Honorable Guwahati High Court in WPC so-and-so, filed by so-and-so, Governor of Assam is pleased to regularize the services of so-and-so, the then part-time lecturer conditionally as assistant professor, whole-time lecturer in Vishnuram Medhi Government Law College under Higher Education Department with effect from 1/1/2013 in the UGC scale of pay 15,600, so-and-so to 39,100. Sorry, my lord. This was pending an appeal. The appeal, my lord, was, my lord, dismissed by the division bench, my lord, on the ground of delay. But as well as deciding, reflection on the merits as well. Before that, my lord, a contempt case was filed. That at page 41 is the order in the contempt petition, my lord. This was closed on the basis of the regularization order which was produced before lordships in the contempt. Page 41, 42. Then comes the, my lord, the,
Regularization order at page 40.
page 4, page 4.
Then?
My lord, the payslips were issued, my lord, from page 43. Payslips, my lord, in that scale, on the UGC scale. I retired, my lord, on 1/12/2018. The regularization order was post-retirement, my lord. Regularization order was 2/4/2018.
And you retired on?
1/1/2018. My lord, sorry, my lord, 1/2/2018. My lord, the writ petition, my lord, sorry, my lord, the writ appeal on the ground of delay, but a reflection on the merits, my lord will find at page 49. Up to the third paragraph from the top, my lord, it was on the delay part. My lord may see the third last paragraph from page 49, starting with on the other hand. On the other hand, it is noticed from the documents produced along with the affidavit in opposition at Annexure B that the appellants had in compliance with the directions issued by the learned single judge in the writ petition issued the notification dated 2/4/2018 implementing the order. Though the learned government advocate submits that the compliance was made subject to filing the appeal, the reason for doing so cannot be accepted by us. Further, the private respondent number 1 has initiated contempt proceedings in contempt case number so-and-so, and the learned single judge, through the order dated 16/8/2018, had recorded the notification implementing the order and disposed the matter. In the said proceeding also, the appellants had not indicated about the appeal and the compliance being made, subject to the grounds to be urged in the appeal. Therefore, all these aspects of the matter are kept in view. It is noticed that the appellants were not quite diligent, and having complied with the order, a belated decision has been taken to file the appeal. And in that circumstances, the reasons assigned in the application cannot be accepted as constituting sufficient cause for condonation of the inordinate delay of 474 days. In addition, it is noticed that the notification dated 2/4/2018 referred to in the appeal having been filed. The same was not the factual position, inasmuch as the appeal was filed only on 24/5/2018. Hence, the delay was not. My lord, thereafter, my lord, I retired, my lord. I had, my lord, paid for my area salaries and the area salaries from the previous dates, my lord. They were not paid. That is why I am before lordships. My lord, there were proposals, there were in as much as 3 proposals made from the department, but they have not been paid. My lord, there was an order of lordships, my lord, in which I was asked, my lord, allowed to take the admitted salary. That has been paid. The other aspects that needs to be gone into.
There is some dispute with regard to the salary.
The salary, my lord, I did not have the UGC qualification, which they say in 2013. But in 89, when I joined, the UGC qualification of the UGC minimum the standards regulations that came in 1991, after I had joined. So when I had joined, my lord, the requirement was a high second class in the LLM. I had 53%. The high second class, which was referred to, my lord, is 52.5%. I had more than that when my entry into service was there. Their contention, my lord, is that since I do not have 55%, I cannot be given the UGC scale of pay. I can be given a state revised scale of pay. So they have paid me the state revised scale of pay now, my lord, in the areas. But the UGC, my regularization is not.
When did that norm made from 55?
My lord, when the 1991 notification guideline came in. 91.
You were appointed.
89. 80. Therefore, this is the aspect which lordship, because my lord, I'm not getting my pension because there is no last pay certificate.
Yes. No, they respond.
My lord,
Gogoi, it's not a problem. If Lordship kindly take up this matter after due vacation, my lord. K. Gogoi handling this matter today, he has some difficulties, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, readings are completed. It's for hearing, my lord.
What is the stand of the respondent?
Although they have only filed one affidavit saying that without any annexures, my lord. Affidavit by the respondent number 3. That I am entitled to the state revised scale.
Where are the UGC rules
My lord, I have the thing. I
not
have
enclosed here?
no.
Relevant rules will have to be there.
My lord, I'll produce my.
You submitted on behalf of the respondent that the council representing the department of available where is made on his behalf. and Where is not taken, where made on the account. Sitting here not
After due vacation, my lord.
after being taken. 19?
My-
Nine.
He listed on 9.
Deeply obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I am for respondent number 4, Your Lordship. In this case, Lordship, we have been recently engaged. My senior C. Bora is engaged as pending. We went 2 weeks time to file a reply.
Earlier occasion, my lord, 14/3, my lord, kindly pay this, my lord. Direct to the AG and irrigation department to file affidavit, my lord. Otherwise, it is a covert case, my lord, Sandita Roy, my lord. And
What has
another,
the AG got to do with it?
Lordship, right now, I do not have given the brief, so we have been recently engaged, Your Lordship.
Mr.
R. Bora, Lordship.
Council hearing on behalf of accountant
C. Bora.
C. Borough. Hearing on behalf of accountant. Happy County has recently entrusted with the bank. Sometime say, that they are party. Anyone else? You are appearing for respondent number? Irrigation department. And who's for Boroland?
Lordship A. Bodhakur appearing on behalf of P. Naik for BTC.
Mr. C. Hazariga for number 2.
Obliged.
Yes, can have it on 19th.
my lord.
19th.
Obliged.
Obliged, Your Lordship.
Lordship, the earlier matter, the date was fixed on 19, my lord, maybe 19 upper election.
You
He may-
pull up, you follow, you get your friend,
Yes,
you get your friend. 19th, there's an election date.
yes, my lord,
Upper
number some, he may not
Get
be.
it date. You get it.
But in this case, my lord, I want to receive my lord family pension, but there was some mistake. Date of birth has been already corrected by department.
And we have Lordship already forwarded to the AG Lordship regarding Lordship date of correction of the birth.
So, my
You
lord,
show it to the AG, let them get their instruction.
AG,
Give it to the AG. What is your instruction on that?
My lordship, we have received the oral instruction.
Ah.
Further procedure bank will do.
bank will do, my lord.
Acha,
Already sent.
You have already sent it to the,
Treasury.
Yes.
uh,
Lordship may dispose of
the other
Lordship may
Very
dispose of.
submit that correction has already been effected and the administrative department has forwarded it to the accountant general and who in turn has already sent instructions to the concerned bank in which the account of the debt petitioner is made. You have no instruction.
I have not instruction because well, they have already processed it. That much. Oh, yes.
Matter, let the matter be listed after 1 week and make the learned counsel. Apprise the court whether the needful has been done as submitted by the respondent now. It's on 19th.
Yes.
Yes.
Second of
Meeting says there is an election date.
My lordship,
Not.
Yes,
second May, my lord, if it is not inconvenient.
2nd May.
My-
My lord.
2nd May is the hearing date.
My
Maybe on 3rd.
third May.
Third.
My lord, may I make another prayer, man? My name is not reflected in the short cause.
Names of all councils, including the council, expected before by the 19th.
Deep here,
I have to vote on 19 law.
Hmm?
Item 11 regarding item 11 law.
Okay.
Let
All
it be any other date law.
Third.
Lordship, item number 13, 16, and 25, Lordship, similar matter. The affidavit is being filed today, Lordship. In fact, the copy has been just now served.
This is regarding the pensionary benefit for a long 5 to 6 years. And at last they have, today, thus I have received the copy, maybe it not be in the record. That I received. I have gone through this affidavit. Their only contention was that I was appointed in a non-existing post in 1989. They also admitted the fact that thereafter we are terminated, and this court has set aside their termination order, reinstated me in the post. They have admitted all these things, and thereafter I am giving junior based training. They have devoted me to for training, and I have passed that training, and I am working.
Let the affidavit be.
Yes, yes, and therefore my prayer is that Lordship may in fixed in an early date.
Yes,
On that date, the matter may be disposed of.
is submitted by the respondent. The affidavits are being filed. During the court.
Lordship, today, Lord.
Affidavit is being filed. And a copy thereof has been served on the Mr. Ruan. As a counsel. He received the copy. So, in that view of the matter. Instead, again on 3rd.
Lordship.
Can it be done 25th procedure hearing there? It can dispose over on that day.
25th May, 25th April,
And Lordship,
by which date the registry will ensure that the affidavit stated which I are brought on record. You don't want to file a reply.
yes, for dispose. If required, I am not totally gone through it. No, 25th. In the meantime, perhaps that way on the short affidavit reply to be required.
All right, you say so, but don't pray for an adjournment on 25th.
No, I never take adjournment.
The petitioner may file a reply affidavit in the meantime. The jury appears for
18.
it's on 25th of
Item 13, 16, and 25, same.
item
Similar.
13, 16, 25.
Lordship.
All be listed together.
Lordship.
On 25th.
Much obliged.
Lordship, respondent number 3, they started file everything opposition matter.
Lord, we have
2
filed
weeks
them.
time may be granted for reply matter.
The council said that if we can file reply affidavit on behalf of the affidavit filed by the PNRD department.
My lord, by the Assam State Rural Commission. Rural Livelihood Mission.
By the respondent number 3. I can send the journey recording.
Right.
The matter related to the pensionary benefit to the husband of the petitioner. Lordship in case
Your
that
affidavit is filed.
we have filed one affidavit. Lordship affidavit is filed.
Page number, your lordship, that's the endorsement 54 would be relevant. Your lordship. May I read it? Your lordship?
54.
54.
Yeah.
This is the endorsement from the PPG department. Your endorsement is note number 37 in so and so, file number so and so. Home department is advised to move the RPPG department after this is, they have already moved the RPPG. This is their note now. Home department is advised to move the RPPG department after obtaining the views from finance, establishment department, personal B department, judicial department on the matter since in absence of regularization of unauthorized absence period with effect from 794 to 37/1999, he has not completed prerequisite 20 years of completed service as per finance department's OM on VRS, number so and so dated 12/9/84, your lordship. So, your lordship, this is the
To regularize this.
Lordship, ultimately it will be the home department, but after getting all the views from the app, provided the views are positive, your lordship.
Who's for the home department?
I'm.
What steps have you taken?
Lordship, I have talked to the concerned staff right now, your lordship, and they said that finance is now asking for some, whether it was previous to this or now, I don't know, your lordship, but the finance department has asked for some documents regarding his, because the person had some health issues and all, particularly mental health issues and all. So they're seeking some documents and all regarding his regarding this issue, your lordship, because then only they can give a advice. So that is the stage, your lordship. The finance is seeking some documents.
So some process is underway.
Some process is undergoing, your lordship. Lordship, give.
Each respondent
Your lordship,
Department.
have not been met as party respondent. Lordship.
Hmm?
ART has not been met party here, Lordship.
They have filed.
But they have filed.
The party respondent does not file.
Lordship, party respondent has been filed.
Bring the affidavit filed by the Institute Reforms Training. That instruction was issued by the Joint Secretary of the State Department, the Home Department. The effect that the regularization of the unauthorized period with effect from 7/1994 to 7/1999. It cannot be, the petitioner cannot be said to have completed the prerequisite 20 years of commitment. As per finance department, ERS ID, OM number, so and so dated 12/9/1980. The Home Department, the State Department, taking into consideration the relevant sections in the part. Thereupon, necessary proposal prepared or sent finance department
Lordship.
to sanction it.
No, all the, your lordship has seen all these departments will have to give, this. So that is why now the stage of is of finance, your lordship. The process is undergoing with the consultation of the other departments, your lordship.
And thereafter, the home department will have to move the AR and PG department. Training the field by the personnel and the division department. Another council process. So, under me, some further like raise for critics.
Check, election time, whether how much it will have, sometime thereafter, your lordship, mid of May or thereafter, your lordship.
4 weeks time.
That may be very long.
After we extend again. 15 May. 15 May.
Obliged.
Please, your lordship, in this case, I need some more time, your lordship, because something has crept in, lordship, because which is not even disclosed in the writ petition. There is a second wife, your lordship. Lordship, the first wife is claiming the pension. There is a second wife which has not been disclosed in the writ petition, lordship. That's why I need some more time to get some
How
instruction.
did you get it?
Lordship, I've just got the instruction that there is a second wife. Under what provision, lordship, the pension can be paid to the first wife, or it can be divided between the first wife and the second wife. That instruction I need. Lordship.
No, in fact, that goes by the rule.
Yes, lordship, there is a rule, lordship.
Second wife is like
But in railway, lordship, there are some OEMs, right, for help, lordship.
railway.
Yes, lordship.
You have a second wife.
Lordship, he's the first wife, lordship.
I'm the first wife. You're the first wife.
He's the first.
There's another wife.
No knowledge. Perhaps he has no knowledge about that, but on the records, the officials have told me that the second wife. And she has also claimed the same thing, lordship.
You have not filed your appeal.
No, lordship, because under that provision, lordship, I need that provision. Because certain OEMs are there, lordship, that's why I'm waiting for it.
Time to
Railways.
In fact, yeah.
I wonder, lordship. I think, lordship, the second wife also should be made party to this proceeding, lordship.
First, bring it on record.
Lordship, lordship.
It matter be.
Much of them.
The latter part of that now session of family pension mallet in the revised form mallet in terms of the OM dated mallet 12/7/2017 mallet.
Yes.
The last provision mallet notice was issued mallet inspection was called for mallet.
As per this OM, what benefit are it is entitled?
Mallet you will get the revised pension mallet with a 1/4/2016 mallet. Page 17 mallet. Here mallet there are 3 mallet. Division of pension and family pension.
Yeah, who is to give that benefit?
Well, ultimately, it will be sanctioned by the AG mallet.
Yes, AG. Louder. You have received the notice. What notice?
Okay, wait, I am.
Who is for the Home Department? What do you have to say?
The last occasion, I believe some stuff not time for PP.
You'll have to send the proposal.
True, your lordship, but maybe because on the last occasion, that is why I was a bit confused, your lordship, the last occasion, AGS sought for some time. But the other notice was issued, your lordship, that's true. Bank was also a party.
So it is for the department to say that whether you have acted upon this.
Then let me get instruction.
Unless you send the proposal, how will the AG sanction it? It is submitted that the petitioner is entitled for revised family pension as per Office Memorandum 12/7/2017. The revised pension is to be paid with effect from March 2016. Same as how it will be paid. On earlier occasion, opportunity was granted, or notice was issued as the respondents were permitted where permitted to complete their instruction. However, given the matter is listed for council for hearing for the state Home Department, because the AG have prayed for John, have prayed for considering that private basically appears the applicable in the case of the Commission Home Department directed to apprise the court by the next date as to what steps have been taken towards release of the revised family pension in terms of the OMA dispatch. It's taken on 1st of May.
Public.
Suspension may terminate. Then on the last occasion, my lord, a direction was given to obtain instruction, whether the suspension order was reviewed or not.
We need more weeks time, my lord. We have written to them, my lord. We are waiting for instruction.
You should stop writing and send emails.
My lord,
Start sending email, no letter.
No, yes, email. It has
You send
gone through
emails,
email, my lord.
but in spite of that, it is not come.
Yes, my lord, that was,
See, we are distinct matters, giving opportunity to obtain instruction,
yes, yes.
and date after date, the same orders are being passed.
On 22nd March, letter was issued, my lord. And my lord, they responded, they directed the Superintendent of Police to furnish the instruction. Inspector General of Police on 22nd March 2022.
So
They
you
responded.
must surprise
I think we will get it soon, my lord.
you must surprise your client that when you send a letter, the instructions must be wholesome.
We will get it soon, my lord. We will get it. My lord, he was suspended in December 2023.
Not on that. We are giving you instructions, giving you time as per your sufficient.
And so cause regarding the so cause, the petitioner has not submitted a reply also.
I have submitted
It
also.
has been started.
Heard
Only
counsel
one
for the
thing.
TC Sudhir, ready for further time.
My lord, yesterday I have to been have a copy of the order. Passed by, my lord, where from it is seen, my lord, that the committee has been constituted, review committee on 28 March 2020.
Committee?
Review committee.
Review committee.
They have got instruction.
Department Review Committee is hereby constituted with the following officers who will review the suspension case to ensure. Perhaps they have passed it, man. On
No, on
28 March
if it is,
2024. How he has got it, I don't know.
I have been, have a copy, yeah, copy.
Copy to, just. Perhaps they have reviewed it, madam. I will obtain instruction, madam.
No, on 28, if it is constituted on 28, my lord, already 3 months has been passed.
28 or
28 of March.
24.
Yes, my lord, 24. I was suspended on 13th of December.
December, January, February.
Let's see what it-
2 weeks time.
So 2 weeks will give you 3 weeks, will give you 4 weeks, but we want your instructions
Yes,
in
yes.
time. We have to stop listing matters which come up every day and orders are being passed, giving further time to the respondent. That has to stop.
Election time.
You have to apprise your clients that once they receive instructions, either they have it, they send it, or they don't.
We always try, man. We always try.
We are not questioning your attempts.
Sometimes we will get it, sometimes we are not getting
Then
it.
we'll call the officers concerned to the court. Let them come with all their papers. Let all the officers come to the court with all their papers.
That may have to take it.
List after 3 weeks.
I will obtain it.
In the event instructions are not placed before the court, this court may consider passing consequential orders on the next date fixed on the basis of the material, on the basis of the pleading available.
In the meanwhile, my lord, subsistence allowance may be paid, my lord.
Place the matter again on 1st of May. In the meantime, subsistence allowance is not already released.
Yes. All right.
Yeah, I mean,
May please, Lordship. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, notice was issued, Lordship. Here the petitioner is the mother of one missing person who has been subsequently declared dead by the competent authority, Lordship. The petitioner claims for unpaid salaries and for the compassionate family pension, Lordship. Compassionate family pension is pending before the director of
you are
pension.
the only, you are dependent.
Lordship, father also there, Lordship. Father has also submitted the requisite particulars, Lordship. I have annexed that also. And proposal is pending before the director of pension, Lordship, since March 2023, Lordship.
Yes, pension director.
Maybe permitted to obtain instruction within 1 week, my lord.
Again instructor. What is the point in issuing notice? Notice was issued on 23.
23
Then why instructions were not received?
within 1 week, my lord.
Mr. P. Soitia, learned counsel, if you representing the director of pension, raised for any director further 3 weeks time. Let the respondent surprise the court by the next day. By proposal. Respect to- Where is the proposal here?
Lordship, I have not annexed, Lordship, actually, Lordship, I received, only received, postal receipt, Lordship,
Whether
as
any
page
proposal
22.
For release of various salary and commission. Pension.
Area salary, my lord, concern administrative department.
Concern administrative.
Has been processed and has been processed and what's in the
All right. Obliged, Lordship.
So we have received instruction in this case, my lord. I have gone for the instruction, my lord, petitioner, my lord, my lord, stated yes, something, my lord, which is not correct. A petitioner, he says, well, frequent test part. He frequent test part. And violation of the, my lord, election guideline. He was, when he was in the Morino, my lord, he was promoted to the assistant planning officer to research officer, and they posted a dispute. And thereafter, on promotion again, dispute to Kamrup district. And in Kamrup district, Malad, he was given an additional salary of SDO. That was the fact. And thereafter, what happened? He was again transferred to Malad this Kamrup Metro. That was not given effect to. Thereafter, Malad, after advice of the CM Malad, he was transferred to the Nalbari district. Malad. So that is my instruction, Malad. Even they have provided me the previous comment. And in my case also, my lord, the petitioner is not maintainable. So as per so the Supreme Court case is concerned, my lord, petitioner first had to, my lord, join in the post, and thereafter he submitted application.
Yes.
I'm citing two cases, relying upon two cases, my lord.
You bring it on record, you've got your parawise book.
Yes, my lord, just to, my lord, the lordship kindly see paragraph 6.
Paragraph?
Paragraph 5, my lord.
5.
Yes, my lord. The Joint Secretary, Election Department, so and so had enclosed a copy of Election Commission instruction, so and so, posting the format. The last paragraph, last part 1. However, due to non-receipt of timely reports from the district, the department, based on the available official records, prepared a list of all the officers and ranks and assistant planning officers, research officers, service, and senior planning.
When is he retiring?
Yes, Lordship, in 9 months.
9 months.
9 months is
The exemption is for 6 months.
Lordship will retire in 9 months. Moreover, the place of transfer is his home district, home constituency.
He is in the Kamrup district.
Lordship, he is in Kamrup right now, but Nalbari falls under Barpeta district constituency, and he's been transferred there, which is his home district. He cannot be transferred in his home district. Lordship, let them file an affidavit.
No,
to
no,
this
Malad,
effect.
the application is the Walkusi, Malad, in the Kamrup district. His address is given in the Walkusi in the Kamrup district, not Nalbari. And Nalbari district, constituency, it is not applicable as per the election guidance. Madam.
No. I think Nulbari is under what?
Barpeta.
Parliament constituency. Parliament constituency, it is not applicable to their officers.
We have annexed the voters list also. Lordship.
This is not applicable.
Very well, we'll record it and we.
Lordship, let them file an affidavit. We'll
No, if you don't want to go to where have we been said? Nulbari.
Nalbari, Lordship, we want to continue in our current posting.
How it is prejudiced to the petitioner by not joining it?
Why are you transferred out of Kamrup?
Lordship, they are citing that election duty. However, as per page number 34 of our writ petition, Lordship, we have not been assigned any election duty. They are saying because of election duty work, we'll be transferred. In page number 34, we have annexed a document whereby against our name, the duty.
Other
is nil.
person, those who have posted against him, that person is hanging. He is waiting for taking charge. He says, my lord, they have not taken paragraph 1990. His petition paragraph 19, they say he has not taken the charge. How he can take the charge? Only that 19 months he was on leave. And thereafter he came to the court and obtained an interim order and submitted to the on 20th March. How he can take it there? The private respondent, he is a hanging man. Now question is the public interest because if the election is coming up.
Before the authorities, you let them consider.
Yes, let them consider, Malad.
Lordship, let them file an affidavit
No,
to the
affidavit
effect.
is not
Lordship, a
affidavit,
short
we
date
have
may be
received-
given.
We have received instruction, Malad. Let maybe it is the
Sorry, see, transfer is an incidence of service.
Yes,
Yes.
Lordship.
You can't dispute on that.
Yes.
You are retiring in 9 months, so that
Yes,
6 months exemption is also out. Your only grievance is that you have been transferred to Nalbari, which happens to be your home district. They will transfer you elsewhere, unless you are saying that this transfer itself is elevated or whatever is.
Lordship, citing the reason of election duty and saying that because
Relying
of the
on this case,
election
Malad,
duty,
relying on this
we are
case,
transferring you. However, the duty
2006
assigned to him is nil.
Order of transfer.
Order of transfer, Lordship, page number
Malad,
29, Lordship.
election.
29 and 32. Initially, he was transferred at Kamrup Metro, but the same order was modified later and he was posted at Nalbari. We are aggrieved with both the orders. Neither do we want to shift to Kamrup Metro or Nalbari district.
CM has
Page-
instead look after the matter, my lord. CM advised him. to
Page
post it
29,
to
point
Nalbari
number 3 is our name.
because- So with these case law. my lord,
Guidelines were given, Lordship. We have annexed
what
the
about
guidelines
guidelines?
also where
Because
it's
Supreme Court
clearly
said-
stated only if we have served 3 years in the current place of posting, we can be
Yeah,
transferred.
promotion.
Plus, we cannot be transferred in our home district.
On promotion, my lord, that is not calculated. 2 years, 3 years, every day. On promotion, he was transferred, not frequent transfer. Lot of this 2006 SEC, my lord. 2006 9 SEC, Lordship kindly paragraph 6, Lordship kindly see. And our High Court also passed this order, my lord. In violation of any guidelines also, it is not a ground. Yes.
Where
Administrative,
have you stated that Nalbari is your home district? It's stated somewhere.
Yes, Lordship. Paragraph number 13, page 13.
You represent before the authority.
yes, that's my define.
They are the ones who will decide that whether it is the
Hometown or no.
district or not.
Lordship, we have annexed our voter list also.
About
What
the-
are we supposed to decide? We are supposed to decide whether your transfer is valid or not.
Yes, Lordship.
Now, according to you, you have been posted in a place which is your home district.
Yes.
The authorities are required to be apprised about that. So instead of issuing a direction, we permit you to file a representation. And until it is disposed of, the interim order will continue.
Lordship,
Exactly, that is-
may hear
that's
this
what-
matter on the next week in the
They don't
presence of
hear.
my senior Lordship.
What is there to hear? What is there to hear?
Urgency is there, my lord.
Lordship,
appreciate
next
my lord.
week,
Because the
Lordship.
election is coming up, but this emergency, administrative activity is there. Paragraph 6, my lord, may I read it, my lord? 2006, Lordship kindly see. We have perused the report with the help of
All
the.
right, you ask him to be present on next week.
Yes,
No, my lord, the
Lordship.
interim order may be,
Lordship,
my lord,
no.
Then
Yes,
interim may
Lordship.
not be continued, my lord. Because. my lord,
Lordship, may
the
hear it on 9th,
private
10th
person-
and dispose it off.
How he is prejudiced, my lord?
your interim order was on 19/3.
93, my lord.
So we are deferring it till 10th. It will continue till 10th. 10th will dispose it off.
10 April. No, my lord,
Lordship,
my problem, lordship, would appreciate, my lord. What is happening, my lord? The election is going on. My case law is, lordship, can you see page paragraph 6? This succeeded case, my lord. They said, my lord, the first place, the government servant cannot disobey the transfer order by not reporting to the place
We'll
of.
hear on that on 10th. She wants the hearing to be done at the presence of the council. That's all.
Lordship,
That's all.
Then, night. Then is the
So you want it on 8th, we'll have it on 8th.
8, my lord.
yes, Lordship.
Let the matter be listed on 8th.
I will place this, my lord, written instruction, my lord. But if I am going to file the affidavit, it will take some time.
Yeah, we are giving it back to you. You can place
Yes,
it
yes,
on.
my lord, I will again put it in my written
But the
instruction.
problem is, these instructions, you'll have to share it with your.
Yes, Lordship.
representative.
No, definitely, I can provide.
But these are actually instructions, communication between you and the client.
Yes. That's why, my lord, I am not giving them.
But if you don't give them, how will they know?
I will
This is
rely,
why-
I will, on the, at the time, I will rely upon it.
this is why.
Lordship, if they are relying upon this
Fine.
document as
We'll use the
instruction.
matter again on 8th. And attempt to debate.
8.
Lordship, a copy of the instruction or what
No,
is
I cannot
written,
provide now.
not the
I am not
instruction
filing
itself, at
affidavit.
least the gist.
We have not relied on it.
Much of it.
But this matter was fixed today.
My lord, only the item number 26 was fixed today, my lord.
And when are the other matters?
Others are fixed on 22nd, my lord, of April. Your lordship may kindly see order dated 1/4/24.
It's the resolution was subsequently filed. However, and submitted to the matter, the PPT number,
My lord, item 27, my lord, 578 to 20. My lord, item
item
27 to
number 27 to
31, my lord,
31. Are fixed on 22nd.
April 2000.
Accordingly, let this matter still along with the other.
My lord, interim orders in all the regulations.
Interim orders passed early.
Lord, we were allowed to pay prospectively and retrospective revision was paid.
Whatever is there.
Yes, ma'am. Highly obliged.
May I please? But there is a I pending for stack of the respondent number 8, 9, and 10 because they are not a necessary party, my lord. Because due to them, my lord, my pension is withheld, my lord.
Who is 8, 9, and 10?
My lord, this is a financial institution, my lord.
Atco.
Atco, my lord, my husband during his service, my lord, well a loan, my lord. But frequently, my lord, he died, my lord. Therefore,
When was the survey?
my lord, in my lord, Morigao, MB school, my lord, and to volunteer retirement on my lord 1/2/2018. Therefore, my lord, pension paper has been processed, my lord. But due
You
to
have
this,
taken some loan
yes, my lord,
and the loan has not been paid.
not paid.
Why? How can you file an application repeating their name? They have a claim.
I have filed. Because,
File.
yes, my lord.
You say they are not necessary part.
Yes.
But they have a claim.
They claim, my lord, they may proceed in other form, my lord, because from the my lord, pensionary benefit, my lord, loan cannot be, my lord.
We'll have to sign, we'll keep it, we'll have to hear the matter.
My lord.
Decide whether-
There is a my lord, judgment also, my lord, from the pensionary benefit, my lord, loan cannot be. There is another remedy, my lord.
But he has written a letter, madam.
Huh?
He has written a letter to us.
Huh.
That on receipt of his pensionary benefit, he will give a 1 and full and final settlement of 15 lakhs. He has written a letter to us. The outcome of the repayment is very much dependent on our recovery.
No, sorry.
The outcome of the writ petition is very much dependent on our recovery because he has already written a letter which I have annexed to my affidavit, which is where he has specifically written that I will make a one-time settlement by paying so and so amount if I get my pensionary and other monetary benefit.
What response have you given?
We have filed an affidavit.
You want to say that pensionary pension cannot be taken by the fund?
No.
Isn't it?
Yes.
So that some order will have direction left them. If you strike them off from the array of party, how will be that? How will be that?
Then, my lord, main case may be hard, my lord.
That's what.
My lord. Otherwise, my lord, my pension is held up, my lord, since 2018, my lord.
Pension, have you issued any letter to the
Yes, my lord. Earlier we have issued a letter.
there any procedure?
No pair. To my instruction, my lord, they have also filed a, my lord, money suit, my lord. The financial institution, my lord, for recovery of the loan. Now they again come to, my lord.
No, we have not.
You have come here,
You have come.
Earlier council, my lord, made a party, my lord. We are not original council.
what do you say?
And let the original matter may be hard.
My lord, that may be done. For final disposal.
Or is it admitted or not?
Notice issued, my lord.
Admitted.
My lord.
Along with the I.
My lord.
Seventh. 7th is the ninth of May.
April, my lord. April. Last part, April, my lord.
Last part April. 30th. Please.
Hello.
My lord, in this case, my lord, a matter part is my lord, family pension, my lord, petitioner being the my lord, unmarried daughter, my lord. Yeah, my lord, unmarried daughter, my lord. Now she is eligible for pension, my lord. Earlier, her mother was.
Taken some dusty, sir.
Yes, my lord. That was ready. I have corrected, my lord. That is not completed.
Not complete.
Not. I have collected the copy, my lord, but it has have submitted, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, register post was also taken.
You have been permitted dusty, you take dusty.
Yes, sir.
The Learned Council for the right to complete the dusty, sir. Thereafter, an affidavit. By the matter. Sir, go ahead.
Correspondent file.
Fine. After
Lovely.
3 weeks. 3 weeks.
Right.
In this case, my lord, we shall take steps, my lord, upon the private respondent, my lord, or registered court by this. Is missed.
You registered post was not taken.
Not taken, it was given but not taken from me.
Sir, the professor learned permitted further type step is directed by
Entry,
this map.
my lord, entry may continue, my lord.
Interim order passed.
Oblate.
May I please your lordship. My lord, as per the Logima Court order of 4/4/2024, my lord, we have to take the steps to usual process, my lord. Only steps to a registered post to 80 was taken. We may be allowed to do that, my lord. In the meanwhile, the respondents were asked to file their counter affidavit as well.
Petitioner will take steps by usual courses that let the steps be let the process be completed within the next weeks. Meanwhile, the respondents are filed the counter affidavit. Let's start.
I have responded the 6 of it.
Tomorrow for going for filing. You're appearing for D Bhagwani. D Bhagwani.
Public.
May it please, Your Lordship. Your Lordship passed an order on 1st of April, Your Lordship. The order is at page 10. And the last page, Your Lordship, it is at page 12. The last line, Your Lordship. Sorry.
Yes.
The last line, the date is 22/3/2024. This should have been 9/3/2024. There's a typographical error. The order is at page 9, Your Lordship, where the date is.
What is the date of
It's
the
9/3/2024. You know, overwritten.
9/3. I has been filed by the petitioner correct date. The order dated 1/4/2024. By order dated 1/4/2024. The following order was passed. Right. Matter is listed on 8/4,
Yes, your lordship.
that is on Monday.
But there is a stay order, but then the petitioner will have to join her.
When will you join? Today is Friday.
He has already joined,
Then
but because of the stay order of the date needs to be changed.
matter is listed on 8/4. See the last order.
Yes, your lordship. It's on 8/4.
8/4 is Monday.
Yes, your lordship.
Then
Only because of the
we can correct it on 8/4. Why we fight the IA? We pointed out we can correct it on 8/4 in the subsequent order.
Yes, your lordship, but because he has already joined,
His joint is joint. You point it out on 8/4.
when do you know 8/4?
We correct it today.
Yes, your lord.
By the time you get your copy and all, it will be 8/4 only.
Yes, it will be
8/4, the matter is already listed. You point out the matter is not disposed of. It is still pending,
no.
isn't it?
Yes, yes, sir.
It is fixed on 8/4. Point out on 8/4, we'll correct it.
Then we'll point out.
Matter be listed on 8/4. You point out again.
Yes, sir.
On 8/4.